Hello students, I am Professor Surya Smita. Today I have teach you the topic HTML from Web Technologies. We first see what is the definition of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, in which hypertext means the text which links to the other text. A markup language means computer language in which we can use the tags to represent in the document. Then we can see the history of HTML, in which it is developed in 1990 by the Tim Berners-Lee scientist. Then we can see the basic structure of HTML. Here we use the doc type tag that used for displaying which language we are using for in that document and which version we are using. And then here there is three sections we are using. Which first section is comment section, then head section, then body section. Comment section is used for commenting the document, and then head section in which we can use the title tag, and then in title tag we can give the title for the web page. Then body section, in body section we can provide the various tags for that document, which contents we have to display in that document. Then here common tags we are using in HTML, that are doc type, HTML, head, title and body. First is doc type. Doc type, that tag is used for specifying which language and which version we are using for the document. Then HTML tag. HTML tag is the root element of the document. And then head tag. Head tag is used for providing the heading section of that document. Then title tag. Title tag. That title tag is used for providing the title for the web page. That title should be present in the title bar of web browser. Okay, then body tag. Body tag, in that body tag we can provide this content, main content of your web page. Then here we can see the one example. In that, first we have provide the doc type HTML. This is optional. Then here HTML tag. Then here the head tag. Head tag, in head tag we can provide the title tag. In that we can provide the example 1. So here example 1 is provided in the title bar of browser. Okay. Then here head tag is closed. Then body tag. In body tag we use the h1 tag. My first heading /h1 means what? Here in output we can see that my first heading and my first paragraph. But here we can use the h1 tag, so it can provide the heading of large size. Then p tag, this is the paragraph. We can use that tag for the paragraph. And here we can see my first paragraph. So, and then we can close the body tag and HTML tag. So output of our program is my first heading and my first paragraph. So thank you.